guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be cooking chicken nuggets, sort of like chicken with breadcrumbs. Okay, let's get started. Thank you. Okay, I'm just going to be adding these 4 ingredients in here, which is all of that with the chicken. So I'm just going to be doing that now. Okay, just finished washing my hands, so now worst bit, mixing the chicken with that does not look good. Alright, okay, I think that's all mixed nicely. I'm just gonna wash my hands again. Okay, just gone and done my beaten egg, 3 eggs with a little bit water mix, and chicken, and I have my the plain flour with a bit of black pepper in it. So now the best thing which I do to make it a bit quick for me, I'm just gonna put a plain flour on the chicken, just like this, because if I say I'm doing it one at a time, my god, obviously it won't take any time, but I've got 4 hungry beautiful boys getting ready to come and eat with chips, so I've got to make it a bit quicker. Okay, that's the plain flour gone on that. So I'm just now, as it's like that, I'm just gonna dig into the egg and then straight on to the breadcrumb. So this is how it turns up, like just both sides, perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and speed this bit up a bit more because there's quite a few of them. Okay. Okay, I'm just, as I've done a few, I'm just going to do the rest of them and then I'll show you when I'm finished all of them. Okay, just finished all of them, so I'm going to put some of them in the oven, and I'm going to deep fry some of them, as I have split into 2, and I'm going to deep fry this one and I'm going to oven cook this one. Or you could use your grill if that's how you want it. Alright, let me just get my oven ready. Ooh. Try and get this down again. Right, okay. I'm just gonna leave that in there for a bit. Okay, so I'm just now doing the deep fry one. Let me just put a little bit of breadcrumb to see how it is. Okay, that looks good. It's nice and warm. So I'm just going to place the first one in there. Okay, I've got the grill one on already. So just doing the deep fry one. Just trying to turn the sides, so turn it round by using a fork, because if I use the bigger thingy, the bread will literally okay. Oh my god, it is really hot here. Okay, and you can see that it's all ready, or smells good. My god, it really smells good. Unless it's I am hungry. Okay, that's the first one. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks perfect. So it's literally, you can deep fry it or put it in the oven. And I'll show you how the oven ones also turns up. I'm telling you, this smells beautiful. So, next one on. Okay. Okay, I'm now going to check the oven one. Let me see. Oh, that looks good. It's proper like golden brown. That looks delicious. Okay. That is just perfect. Okay, look at that. The under is just perfectly done. Look at that. So I'm just going to put them on a plate now. And I'll show you guys how crispy it is. Right. Okay guys, it's all done. Just got it on a plate now. And it's so crispy. You can actually hear the crisp. You hear that? That is so crispy. So I'm just going to have a little taste to see how gorgeous it is, and I know it's beautiful. Thank you guys. Okay, just having a little taste on it. My little cheeky bugger is here to try it too. So let's just see. If you can see, this is the deep fry one, and it's really crispy, and that is the oven baked one. Let's just try this with chips. Yum yum.
Is it nice one? Oh, sorry, no.
Sorry, can't drop them on my food. That tastes really nice. See? How's it? Do you like
amazing.
it? Oh, thank you. And that's my other cheeky little bugger with his milk. So that it tastes really nice. Look at that, I'm eating it off him.
That is amazing. I'm trying to deep fried one now.
So I'm just going to leave it to him now to finish the rest off, because as mine is in the kitchen. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you. See ya.